good morning kids. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at your home. My name is Sansi Dawda from New Era Global School. So first, start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Now rub your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes, and now you feel fresh. So now today's session will start with phonics sound. A says A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, I, E, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. So what is the phonic sound of letter T? T. Very good. What is the phonic sound of letter K? K. Very good. And what is the phonic sound of letter Z? Z. Very good. So now flashcard time. So which picture is this? Apple. Right. Capital letter A, small letter A. A says A. A says A. After letter A, which letter will come? B. And B says B. B says B. Capital letter B, small letter B. B. Ball. B. Boy. B. Bird. B. Boat. Boot. B. Beard. B. Bus. B. Bird. So after letter B, which letter will come? Letter C. And C says K. C says K. K. Capital letter C, small letter C. K. Cat. K. Crayon. K. Cookie. K. Color. K. Cloud. K. Car. So after letter C, which letter will come? Letter D. And D says D. Very good. Capital letter D, small letter D. Duck. Door. Day. Dinosaur. Dog. So after letter D, which letter will come? Letter E. And E says A. E for elephant. Elephant. Eyes. Egg. Ears. Capital letter E, small letter E. E says A. E says A. So after letter E, which letter will come? Letter F. And F says fire, fight, fish, frog, feet, flower. So after letter F, which letter will come? Letter G. And G says G says G. Capital letter G, small letter G. G. Girl. G. Bow. G. Grass. G. Glue. So after letter letter G, which letter will come? H. And H says capital letter H, small letter H. House, horse, heel, hammer. So after letter H, which letter will come? Letter I. And I says E. I says E. Small capital letter E, small letter E. I for ice cube, igloo. So after letter I, which letter will come? Letter J. J says J. J says J. Jack. Jacket. Jack. Capital letter J, small letter J. So after letter J, which letter will come? Anyone guess? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Yes, letter K. Which letter is this? Letter K. So today I will introduce you a new letter, letter K. K says, what is the phonic sound of K? K. What is the phonic sound of K? K. Kite. Cattle. So I am a capital letter K. I am a small letter K. So today I will introduce a new letter, letter K. So look at the board. So kids, today we learn a new letter, letter K. And K says K. K says K. और जब भी हम लेटर K का नाम लेते हैं तो हमें क्या याद आता है? K for kite, right? K for kite. K says K. What is the phonic sound of letter K? K says K. So now I will show you some picture related K. K for kite. Kite. Kite यानी पतंग जो हम 15 जनवरी को उड़ाते हैं, राइट? हम लोग कब उड़ाते हैं पतंग? मकर संक्रांति में उड़ाते हैं ना? सो के फॉर काइट. के फॉर काइट. काइट. फिर के फॉर किंग. के फॉर किंग. एंड किंग मतलब राजा. किंग मतलब राजा. के फॉर किंग. K says K. K says K. K for king. K says K. K for key. K for key. Key मतलब चाबी, राइट? लॉक की जो की होती है, हम लोग अभी घर के बाहर जाते तो हम दरवाजा किससे बंद करते हैं? चाबी से, राइट? सो K for key. की मतलब चाबी. K for key. K for kid. K for kid. Kid यानी छोटा बच्चा, जैसे कि आप लोग हो, राइट? मैं बोलती हूँ ना, गुड मॉर्निंग किड्स, राइट? सो K for kid. K for kiwi. K for kiwi. Kiwi. Kiwi is a fruit, right? K for kiwi. K for knife. K for knife. Knife यानी चाकू, जिससे मम्मा वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स करती है कट, राइट? सो अगेन मेरे साथ बोलना है, ओके? K for kite. K for kettle. Kettle यानी जो जिसमें हम गर्म चीजें रख सकते हैं, जैसे कि टी है, कॉफी है, हॉट वाटर है, राइट? आपके घर पे होती ही होगी, है ना? आपके घर पे कहाँ पे होती है केटल? In the kitchen. K for kitchen, right? So K for kettle. K for kettle. K for king. K for kid. K for key. K for show you standing line like this. Then pink line, blue line, slanting line. Then another slanting line, blue line to blue line like this. ये है हमारा कैपिटल लेटर K. Which letter K is this? Capital letter K and small letter K is this. Pink line to blue line, standing line. Between two blue lines, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे slanting line की है, वैसे slanting line हमें two blue line के बीच में करनी है like this. K says K. K says K. So are you ready for today's classwork? So today's classwork is in English textbook. So take out your English textbook, everyone. Now before textbook, we learn some object. So shall we start? K for kite, K for kettle, K for key, key, K for kid, kid, K for kiwi, kiwi, K for key, key, K for knife, knife. So now classwork time. Take out your English textbook, everyone. So kids, today's classwork is in English textbook. So take out your English textbook, everyone. जैसे कि हमने अभी आज कौन सा लेटर सीखा? लेटर K. So now we write in the book. So first take out page number 60. Then circle the object whose name begin with K sound. What is the phonic sound of K? K. Okay, so K. Mango match होता है? K. Mango. No. K. Kiwi. Yes. So circle the object whose name begin with K sound. K. Kiwi. What is the phonic sound of mango? What is the phonic sound of M? Very good. So ये match होगा? No. So K. Kiwi and circle the object whose name begin with K. K sound. K. Kiwi. Now paste a sticker here. Today we learn small letter K. So we paste the small letter K sticker here. So where is the sticker? Yes, in the last page of book. So now find the letter K. Find the small letter K. Find the small letter K. Where is this K? Oh, यहाँ पे तो स्मॉल लेटर के है ही नहीं. So sorry parents, because of print मिस्टेक यहाँ पे स्मॉल लेटर के नहीं है. So हम आज पेस्ट करेंगे स्टिकर कैपिटल लेटर के का. So ready kids? So take out capital letter K here. Take out slowly. Parents, please guide your children. And paste the sticker here like this. Paste the sticker here. So now our first page classwork is done. Now our second classwork, take out page number 61 and trace and write the letter K. Cinderella holds a kettle in her hand. आपको दिख रहा है सिंड्रेला क्या कर रही है? कैटल को होल्ड कर रही है अपने हैंड में, राइट? सो नाउ राइट CW हियर एंड डेट बिकॉज 3 line is in homework, 3 line is in class work and 1 line is in homework. So write HW here. So are you ready for class work? So take out your crayons, everyone. All are you happy today? So make a smiley and write CW HW here. So now trace and write the letter K. Trace and write the letter K. So in first row we trace the letter K. Pink line to blue line, standing line, then slanting line, then another slanting line, like this. Again, pink line to blue line, standing line, blue line to, between two blue lines we make a slanting line and another slanting line. K says K. K says K. K says K. K for kite. K says K. K for kettle. K says K. Now our trace part is done. Now we write the letter K. So how we write the letter K? Pink line to blue line, standing line. Then K. Again like this. Then K. K says K. K says K. K says K. Pink line to blue line, standing line, slanting line, another slanting line. Pink line to blue line, standing line. Between two blue lines make a small slanting line, then another slanting line like this. K says K. Again, pink line to blue line, standing line. Between two blue lines make a slanting line, K says K. K says K. K for kite. K says K. K for kite. K says K. K for kite. K says K. So how we write the letter K? Pink line to blue line, standing line. Then like this. K says K. K says K. Slanting line, standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line. K says K. Pink line to blue line, standing line. Between two blue lines we make a slanting line. K says K. So our today's classwork is done. Today's classwork is in English textbook. And our today's classwork is done. Now homework time. So today's homework is in English textbook, page number 61. Write the letter K here. So standing line, slanting line, K says K. Pink line to blue line, standing line. Between two blue lines we make a small slanting line like this. K says K. K for kite. K says K. 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 King. K. K. Kettle. K. K. Kite. K. K. Cola beer. And K. K. Key. So today's classwork is in English textbook, page number 61 and 60 and 61. And our today's homework is in English textbook, small letter K, one line. Remember parents, hope you all enjoy this session. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your awesome day.